Hey guys, welcome to Cricut Creations with Tory, where you can find simple and easy do-it-yourself projects. So to do this craft, you're going to need water beads, and I went ahead and I purchased mine from Amazon. And I did hear that they do sell them at Dollar Tree, but however, I wasn't fortunate enough to ever find them there. So I purchased mine on Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. And let me say that you use a very little. So you only need about 2 tablespoons, and then you'll, do the remainder like 4 cups or so of water. And you'll want to let it sit for about 4 to 6 hours. And you'll be surprised at actually how big they get and how much you actually do get with that. Okay, so I wanted to use ornaments for this project, and the ornaments are very lightweight, and so when you place them in the beads, it won't actually hold and stay in place. They just start floating around. And so what I needed to do, or what you'll need to do, is go ahead and put sand inside. So what I did was I used about a tablespoon and a half of sand, and I used that in the big ornament, and then in the smaller one I used maybe like a tablespoon or so of sand. And then you'll want to use the glue gun to glue around the top and secure the top of the ornament in place. That way, you're giving the ornaments enough weight, so when you place them on the beads, they'll stay there. So the beads have been soaking for 6 to 8 hours, and you can see how big they get compared to how little they started. And this is not even all the beads. Let me tell you, it makes a lot. So the first thing I'm going to do is place the ornament inside the vase. And then I'm going to take some of the water beads and cover up the ornament. And the key to making everything stay in place is actually when you put the water beads on top. When you place the next item on top, if it sinks a little bit, then you don't have enough water beads. So you want to have enough buffer between the two. And so I would say like maybe 2 inches or so, or a little bit more, just depending. You want it to pretty much stay still when you set it in there. If it moves too much, then it's not going to stay put. So you just would continue adding the water beads and then the ornament or the decoration that you're going to use. And you'll want to leave about an inch or so on the top, so you have room if you're going to do a floating candle. And the other very important thing is when you are ready to pour the water inside the vase, it's important to go very slow. If you go too fast, you're actually making the water beads shift and move around, and that will kind of make it'll move it and it won't stay the way you want it to. So just very slow when pouring the water. And that was it. It was so easy, you guys, and it's so cute.